Minus a point for that illegal corner coaching. Timer ready. Judge is ready.
Breathe, man. Breathe.
Fighter ready. Fighter ready. Do it.
Take this hard away with a liver punch.
Hey, go. Hands up, man. Hands up. Be first. Be first. Don't wait for him. One strong. There it is. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Hit the box.
Circle, Larry. Circle.
Hey, what about that?
Pull the body.
What about that kick I told you about? What about that kick I told you about? Throw the kick. Brandon, when he goes to kick, throw a punch down the middle. Like right now. Yeah. Pass the legs. Pass the legs. Good. Now hammer fist. Hammer fist.
Larry, go to your base, Larry.
Hammer fist.
Larry, go to your base.
Hey, right there. Short hammer fist. It's okay. Get points right now. Go knee on belly. Hammer fist. You better do something, Brandon.
Gotta get out of there, Larry.
No, stay there. Why? Stay there. Just put the mouthpiece in.
Well, you got one.
Yeah, watch out for water.
We don't have water. We don't have water. 3-second rule. Put it in his mouth. Let's go. He's gaining his wing back. This isn't fair.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Get it all.
Brandon, knee on belly. Brandon, knee on belly. Knee on belly, Brandon. Hey, okay. Just punch from there. Punch.
Larry, you gotta roll it.
Brandon, posture up. I want you to sit up and punch downward, okay? One minute! Push off his face and sit up. Push off his face with your hand. Yes.
Come on, Larry, turn and
Now
face
punch.
into him.
Punch his body. He's not blocking his body.
Break. Stand up. Yeah.
Move around. Use your footwork. Freddie, I'm going to need Vaseline in the 3 rounds. Nice. Side to side, Chad. Not straight ahead. Yes.
Right there, Evan.
Get your hips back. Get your hips back. Nice spin. Nice spin, Chad. You can hook his leg with your leg.
Lock your hands, Evan.
Push away. Push away, Chad.
Evan,
Push away or do the takedown right there.
Get it up, Evan.
Keep your hips in them, Chad. You have a takedown. You have a... Protect your neck. Protect your neck. You're fine. You're fine. Hips into him. Hips hard into him, Chad. Hey, this ref is playing favorites. I want to see this ref's card. Chad, protect your neck. You're fine. Chad, don't tap. You're fine. You're fine. Good.
Go.
Head up, Chad. You need to posture up. You need to push his face away and posture up.
Don't let him pass your guard unless you're ready to do
Chad,
something.
you got to get his arm off your head and posture up.
Don't let him pass your guard unless you're ready to
Put one hand on his face, the other on the elbow, and push up. Head up, head up, head up, head up.
Finish it right there.
Head up, head up, head up. Step over his head. Good. Two triangles, Mr. Triangle. Good job, Chad. Good job, Chad. Good fight.
Chad. Winner, red corner. Are you ready?
All right, get ready for a shot. Be careful with the kicks, he's a wrestler. So, hands up, lock punches. Be careful with the kicks, set him up with your punches first. Sprawl and push him out. Push him in the cage. Nice, stay down. Okay, control from side position now. You got to control first.
It's okay, Coach. On your side, let's go.
Don't put that hip on the ground. I want you to go, there you go, step over. Deal in. Deal in. You have an arm. You have an arm. Take the arm. Take the arm. Take the arm.
There you go, coach.
Grab the leg. Grab the leg. Grab the leg. Pressure, pressure with your hips. Pressure with your hips. Ah. You have the triangle. You have it. Turn your hips. Turn your hips. Turn your hips.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Zom, push that elbow and you got the triangle. Push the elbow across.
One, Joe, let's step over 10 and 6.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Turn your hips. Switch to the arm bar, Zom. Zom, switch to the arm bar. Switch to the arm bar.
You got it.
Perfect timing for the switch. Good job. Ryan, you ready?
Shake hands.
James, are you padded up?
Guys, let's give it up for him.
Right, can you take?
Let's go. You guys know the rules? Back. Joe Ray on next. Chad, you have the Joe Ray on next.
Does he have official knee pads?
Like fair. I'm gonna just go outside that corner.
I'll punch you.
Do this thing.
Take your time, breathe.
Go!
You're in way better shape.
Hands up, Ryan. There you go. There it is.
Chin down, chin down, hands up.
Perfect.
Set everything up. Just time it, time it. He's gonna lunge in like a rabbit.
Perfect.
Hands up.
Keep your hands up, Ryan.
Hands
Keep
in
your
front
hands
of
up.
your
There
face.
you go,
Hands in front
Ryan.
of your face.
There it is. There it is. Nice.
Scramble up, scramble up, scramble up, scramble up, scramble up. Don't give him time to punch.
Neutral corner.
Perfect, James. James, that's exactly what I want.
Ryan.
Neutral corner. Don't talk to him.
I'm not.
Get
No cornering.
corner. Get over there.
Can't trust that guy.
Jeez, Freddie.
You'd think we were from another gym or something. Ref, I think you did a good job with that corner. Proud of you.
Want me to do it if you're fighting?
Ref, I think he's talking about him. Keep an eye.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Shot from too far out. You shot from. Come on now, smarter.
Use your jab. Get the chin down again, Ryan. There it is.
Hands up, chin down.
There it is, Ryan.
Jab down, chin down.
That's it. Don't look too fast.
Don't telegraph. Set it up with your jab. Throw
Use
your
your
jab
jab.
out there.
There it
Throw
is.
your jab out there. Don't worry about it.
Keep your jab out there in front of him.
Jab, James.
Keep your jab in front of him. That's it, Ryan.
Hands up, chin down.
Jab,
Jab,
Nice, Ryan. That's it.
James,
That's it, Ryan.
pressure him
You
into
don't
the
want to get
cage.
hit by you, Ryan.
Pressure him into
Put
the
your jab
cage.
out there, Ryan.
Pressure him into the cage. Pressure,
That's it,
pressure,
Ryan.
pressure.
That's it.
Now,
That's
keep going. Keep going on
That's
it.
it.
Keep
Bro,
going on it. Keep going on it, James.
Bro, that's it. Keep his head down, Ryan. Keep his head down.
Don't worry about the punches. Control the
That's it.
position.
When you get ready, Ryan, punch at him.
Can't give it.
That's it.
There you
Bro,
go.
that's it.
Good job.
That's it. That's
Strength
it.
the back.
When he starts punching, get up. Get up. Good.
That's it, Ryan. That's it.
Go, James. Hit some sweep.
Base out, Ryan. You're trying to push him down.
Watch the seconds. Watch the sweep, James, you have a sweep right now. You have a sweep.
Push at his face, Ryan. That's it. That's it. Use your forearm. Use your forearm. Right there.
Sweep,
Get his
James.
face.
Yo, no elbow.
That's
James,
it.
sweep.
That's it. That's it, Ryan. Right there. Right there. Punch, Ryan.
Sweep, you have